more challenging than season 1. शादी के बाद धीरे-धीरे पता चलता है. किसी सीन मेरे ऊपर इतना मजाक उड़ाया उन्होंने. शुरू में लॉकडाउन हुआ था तो बहुत ऐसा जोश चढ़ा था कि Hi. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me properly?
Yes, I can. You can?
Okay, how are you doing?
Very good, very good. How are you?
I'm also good only. How are you spending your time during this lockdown?
Yeah, it's not that bad. In fact, I to any which ways love. Am I shining? Am I like too bright?
Yeah, a little.
Okay. All right. So, forget it. But it's like too much light.
It's fine. No, it's fine. Actually, if you're moving, it's just changing. Like you're becoming too bright and then so yeah, don't move a lot.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So, any which ways I like staying at home, so it's not any big change in my life that has happened. But yeah, no mates, that's the change that I have now. And everything I have to do all by myself. So yeah, it's good, but otherwise no complaints, no regrets.
There are very few people who are saying that it's good. Actually, so good. Yeah, a lot of people are like, now it's too long. I mean, so firstly, congratulations on the amazing response that the trailer is getting. Like season 1 was an absolute delight, and now season 2. How are you feeling about that?
Yeah, I mean, wasn't of course I was expecting, but itna expecting. People will just like wait for season 2 and how. And also with the lockdown, people also got to watch season 1 who really like to watch it. So but the response has been really good, and I was not expecting that people will be like waiting, and now once it is out, people are actually they're liking it, they're actually messaging. So quick in watching season 2, and I think it has to be because this lockdown and people
true.
At home and they have all these options. So I'm glad that this is the time that season 2 came out, and I think it'll be really beneficial for the whole team.
Nice. So how is it for you, like coming back on the sets after you got such a great response that you weren't expecting, but you kind of knew? So how was it when you came back on the sets of Barish season 2?
It was lovely. In fact, we all were waiting for the shooting to begin, because season 1 we all had to we took time, becoming friends, and and after season 1 got over, we all were like expecting that season 2 might come, but more than that, we all been like really excited to meet each other and work again, because very happy team. And all credit goes to our director, because she's just so sweet and always jolly, and always wanting to make people happy. And she also has really spoiled us. She used to pamper us so much. So
nice.
Then we were dying to go back and shoot again. So finally, when we got to know, we were so excited, and then we started shooting, and it was fun. It was so much fun.
Nice. Like listening to you talking about going back on the sets, I think the season 2 will be also that good. Like the vibe would be that great.
I've already finished season 2.
So once season 1 you have this character, you leave that character and then you again have to delve into that character again. How do you do that?
I think when we started shooting the season 2, our director actually had to come up to me and Sharman and say, guys, you guys are looking like too friendly on screen. You need to be a little awkward, because you need to give a little coupley feeling, like husband wife, and that do not Gauravi ji. So, come on guys, come back and becoming Anvit ji and Gauravi ji. Don't be Asha and Sharman, because we had become just so comfortable with each other, and such buddies. So we really had to make an effort and be like, oh yeah, let's go back to the characters. Anvit ji and Gauravi.
Nice. So trailer we saw you're taking some drastic steps in your life and making some decisions. How does what changes are we seeing in your character this season?
There are a lot of layers to my character and Sharman's character. I think more than me, it's Sharman's Anuj's character, which is which has a lot of layers and very challenging. And show is mine, I think in comparison to season 1, season 2, the character is more challenging and has a lot more to do. A lot more layers are coming out. And also वो भी होता है ना कि शादी के बाद धीरे-धीरे पता चलता है. So yeah, more challenging than season 1.
Okay, so what, like, obviously season 1 was very dramatic. A lot of things are happening, like from happy to sad, and now you, like, it's gonna be again, like, something really different is happening once again. So what new can we expect from this season?
There will be more entertainment, more emotional drama with season 2. And also, people will watch me kissing for the first time on screen.
Oh God, that's
I have never kissed on screen before, so this is the first time happening. So, और कुछ नहीं तो उसके सीख लो. I'm just kidding. The simplicity and sweetness, that essence of the show is still there even after the kissing. You know, whatever it is, or the emotional drama which has increased, but that simplicity, that sweetness of the, you know, the season 1 is still there in season 2, and that's what we wanted to maintain, because that's what people really like Barish for.
Yeah, true.
It's a good show.
Yeah, I mean, it's just like, I think I've seen you so much on TV, and I've seen Sharman sir also. So I know you two people as like how you would look on screen. So yeah, it's a delight to watch. So I wouldn't imagine you doing something really, you know, like you're a sweet person basically. So I wouldn't see you slapping someone more than, like, you know. So yeah, I'm excited for season 2 of Barish, absolutely. So coming to Sharman sir, he's an excellent actor. We all know that. How was it working with him again?
Again, as I told you, you know, we had become like such good buddies and so competitive with each other that we had to like tone that down and become husband wife who are a little shy, a little awkward. So that happened. Apart from that, full time pass used to happen on set, and I think जिस दिन शर्मन जी नहीं आते थे, उस दिन मेरा टाइम पास ही नहीं होता था, because वो कुछ ना कुछ क्रैक कर रहे हैं, मेरे ऊपर जोक क्रैक कर रहे हैं. In fact, we were doing that kissing scene, मेरे ऊपर इतना, मतलब मेरे इतना मजाक उड़ाया उन्होंने हमारे डायरेक्टर के साथ मिलके. So बहुत मजे आए, बहुत फन था.
Nice. At least, I mean, talking to you makes, I think once people will see this interview, they'll get more excited to watch this.
Yeah, I hope. I really hope.
So, when you're working on a TV show and you're working on a web show, how is that different for you? Like, what do you enjoy more? Like, if you're given choice, what would you do?
I would do web. Because because as an actor, no, you get more liberty when you are in doing a show for web. And also, you get one project, you do that in a month or two, you are done with it, and you are out.
True.
And then you can focus on playing some other character. So, as an actor, you have so much to do. You get your creative satisfaction also. It doesn't become monotonous. I mean, with all due respect, and I'm really grateful for what I have achieved through television, because it has made me who I am. But after some time, it does get monotonous. The same thing. फिर वो drive of performing as an actor, na, बढ़ जाती है उस time पे.
True.
Yeah.
So, are you planning on coming on any other web show? Like, do you have any plans or any projects in line?
I was actually shooting for one. I won't be able to, discuss much about it because the official announcement hasn't been made yet. But I was shooting for one for Sipari, and it got halted, of course, because of the lockdown, Corona. So once this is over, we'll start shooting again for the same.
Okay.
So yeah, and that character is a little different from what I've played till now. So I'm really excited.
Oh, nice. We can't wait for the lockdown to get over and to see you in this new avatar.
I think I'll get lockdown withdrawals after this is over because I am just loving my life. This is what I wanted always. Being at home, किसी को मिलना है, आप अकेले.
You're the first person who's saying that, you know. Like, I've never heard this from anyone, and I don't feel this now. Not at all. Like, it's been too long. Now I need to get out.
Yeah, it has.
Good for you.
Yeah, I still feel I'll get withdrawals after this is over. Yeah.
So, if you would like to tell what, like, are there any similarities between you as like your real personality and this character that you're playing on Barish?
Yeah, a little bit. Matlab, I think she's how Gauravi is responsible and self-dependent and family. That's where I am similar to her. But also she's very calm and suji and she's also the eldest. So वो भी I think कहीं ना कहीं फर्क पड़ता है. I'm the youngest in my family. तो थोड़ी careless.
Okay.
हाँ, अभी लॉकडाउन में मुझे पता चल रहा है कि मेरा किचन में कौन सा सामान कहाँ पड़ा है और फ्रिज में कितने टाइम कहाँ पड़ा है. So I think that's what I'm learning now during lockdown कि ये सब घर कैसे चलाते हैं. But otherwise I'm very careless. तो मम्मी लोग भी जब भी आते हैं तो मुझे अंदर से निकाल के ये देख कब से पड़ा है ये यूज क्यों नहीं करती है. I think yeah, like that I'm a little different क्योंकि थोड़ी careless हूँ. But थोड़ी बहुत similar भी हूँ.
Okay, so coming to this lockdown, how are you? Like, have you started anything new? Any new hobbies that you've inculcated in your routine nowadays?
जब शुरू में लॉकडाउन हुआ था तो बहुत ऐसा जोश चढ़ा था कि आई एम गोइंग टू बी प्रोडक्टिव, आई एम गोइंग टू डू समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट. तो मैंने 1-2 पोएम्स लिखी थी.
Oh nice.
बहुत फालतू पोएम्स थी. But and I think I also painted.
Nice.
But फिर my canvas got over and shop था shut. So now I'm thinking कि वो पानी की कांच की bottles में I'll start painting.
हाँ. Pots and पानी की bottles. You can do that. Yeah, do that. And please post these pictures on Instagram because your fans would love it. Like they wait for all these things. So, like this is the second last question for you. What would you want the fans, like from season 2, what do you want them to take away from the show?
From season 2?
Yeah.
I think if they watched season 1 and they liked it, then they'll definitely like season 2. Because as I said, they maintain the same sweetness, simplicity that we would sing in season 2 as well. And of course, they'll see us, our performances as an actor and the characters have a lot of years, as I said, in season 2. So that also will be quite entertaining for them, and then more entertainment. I feel there's more entertainment in season 2. Yeah.
Okay. So lastly, what are your next projects? You've already told us about the web show. Apart from that, anything you're up to?
Apart from that, there's a film that I did, and I won't be able to say much about it because the official announcement couldn't be made because of the lockdown. But once this is over,
you should be waiting for the lockdown to get over. There's so many projects waiting.
But ठीक है, मतलब जो है, whenever look at Mother Earth, यार, how it's healing, it's beautiful, isn't it? You see dolphins in the beach, all that is happening. And then 2-3 days back, I saw these videos where alcohol shops के बाहर लोग social distancing.
Oh God, that was so crazy.
Each other and that was crazy. It was insane. Like फिर ऐसा लगा कि नहीं यार, कुछ नहीं हो सकता. कुछ नहीं हो सकता. So
okay. Yeah. You were saying something.
I forgot.
Okay.
Hi guys, this is Asha Negi and you're watching me on Box Office India. Lots of love.